Hello friends, hope you are doing good, and in this video I will show you something different. And yes, this is a portable table which I have purchased recently and it is very comfortable. That's why I'm sharing the same with you. So let's start with the unboxing of the table. And remember, this is not a sponsored video, so this is just to share the things what I got. So this is the box which I received. Uh, yeah, it is from Flipkart. So let's go ahead and unpack this box quickly. So I'm using knife to cut the sellotape. Let me just fast forward the unpackaging part quickly. So this is the instruction how to assemble the table. We will check it later. So I have taken out all the metallic frames from the box, and these are the two legs, and these are the two holes where the table wheels will be fixed later. I will show you in the video, and table will stand in this manner. But for now, we will just put it into such a manner so that I will be comfortable to assemble the parts of the table. Okay, so now I need to fix this in the middle. As I can see, this is smooth part. It will go to the front side. So I need to fix it in that manner only. You can follow the same as I am doing in the video. So here I am taking out all the screws. So these screws are having a different length, and the diameter of the screw is also different. So you need to check in the paper which screw is related to which part. So because if you will fix any screw wrongly, it will not able to connect that part particularly like in a proper manner. So this is the screw. So it might be not clear in the video, but you can check how I am doing. So there are four big screws and other screws are small. So that's it. Nothing more than that. So these are four big screws. It will goes here. So you can just check this video and do the same. So you will get all the things along with this box, like a screwdriver and the wrench, as you could see in the video. So here I am tightening it with hand to just have a grip with that part of the table. Later on I will tighten it with the help of a screwdriver which they have provided in the box. So I will just fix this part also in the same manner. Okay, so just fixing is done. Now we need to tighten up the screw with the help of this L-shaped screwdriver. This is a L-shaped screwdriver which is provided with this box. So I'm just tightening it up. Just you need to put it in the groove. The screw is having groove in the middle. You need to put that screwdriver in the middle and you need to rotate it like I'm doing in the video. So I will fast forward this. So while tightening the screw, you need to keep this in your mind that you should not tighten it too much, because this metal tube may get tempered if you will tighten it too much. So here are the wheels. So I have taken out all the wheels and I'm just fixing it in the bottom. And this is the hole and I am fixing it there. So it is having one bolt type of things beneath that, which I am using to tighten it up. Later on, I need to tighten it with the help of a wrench, which they have provided in the box. So I will just tighten it as much as I can do it with my bare hands. So now I think I need to use this wrench. So the use of this wrench is very simple. Just you need to grip the nut and just turn the nut into clockwise direction with the help of this wrench. And you need to perform the same step with remaining three wheels. So I will just fast forward this part. So here you could see how I am gripping the nut and tighten it up. But don't tighten it too much, otherwise it will damage the frame. It will temper the frame. And this is the last wheel which got fixed. And now you need to put this knob which will help you to lock the table height after its adjustment. So there are two knobs. I will fix the other knob at this position. And you could see the hole in the same piece of metal where I'm fixing the knob. The tabletop will go into that hole. So this is the tabletop. Let's take it out from the packet. And this is of hard plywood. Actually, they are calling it as engineered wood. So there are four holes, as you could see in the video. And we are having, so this is the top part. So we are having two metallic piece remaining to fix it here. Again, the screw will go like this, and then you need to fix it with the plywood, with the engineered wood, whatever. So here goes the another screw. I will just fast forward it. Anyway, we need to just put the screw and tighten it up with the help of L-shaped screwdriver, as I have shown you previously. So for now, I will just fast forward the video to save the time. So the screws are tightened up, and now you need to be a bit careful while lifting this part. Hold it parallelly and with both of your hand, because that part is unstable and it may get broken if you will hold it or lift it with your single hand. Now put it into the hole properly, and both of the rods should go into the hole at the same time. You need to adjust a bit, and once it will go into that hole, it will just slide normally. Very easily it will slide inside. So it's done, and you can fix the height like this by adjusting it. And after adjusting the height, you can just tighten this knob. And before tightening the knob, make sure your tabletop is parallel to the ground or not. So it's done. So this is the minimum height which I have adjusted for now. And this is the wrench and the L-shaped screwdriver. And yes, the time has came to check the table. So let's check it. Let me just clean up the stuff beneath the table. Okay, now you can have a look on it. So it will look like this. So as per manual, it can hold up to 4 kg of weight, 4 kilogram of weight on it. That is too much for laptop because this is a laptop table. This is not for any other purpose. So you can see the wheel. It is having the locking system. This you can put down and the wheel will be locked, but it is not so efficient as of now. So it is locking the wheel, not a problem, but it is okay. So I have purchased this in 1300 rupees, 1300 INR, Indian currency. So that's it. This is how it will look like. So let me just adjust the height to another level. This is the minimum height which I have adjusted. It can't go beyond this limit. This is the minimum height. So I have just loosened the knob, and now I will just lift it up. So as you can see, I can put my hand here. I'm just showing you, you can just lift it comfortably from the top also. So once it will be lifted up, see, it is going up, and once you have adjusted it to the particular height what you want, you can just tighten up the knob as I'm doing in the video. See, okay, it is not parallel to the ground. I need to make it parallel to the ground because nobody likes the tables should be fixed in a slanting manner, and it may damage the rod also, the rod and the plywood attachment. So it is done. Okay, it is tightened up a little more. But remember, don't tighten it too much. It may temper the rod, internal rod. Okay, little bit of table, it is not proper parallel to the ground. So I'm doing it with one hand. That's why I'm feeling uncomfortable to adjust it. If you will do it because I'm holding camera in my another hand. So as you could see, this is done. Now you can see the height has been increased. You can compare it with the window behind the table. Still, it is not parallel to the ground, but it's okay just to show you, I have kept it in such a manner. It is moving comfortably, no problem, and wheels are free. Let me just check whether locks means the wheels are unlocked or not. So these are unlocked, and it is moving very freely. It could be a dining table for one person also. You can just keep it beside your bed, and you can just bring some stuff from kitchen directly to your bed and have a food there. For homely purpose, it is okay. And this is durable if you are not putting weight beyond 4 kg on it. This plywood is also of good quality. So friends, that's it in this video. If you found this video helpful, please do like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for the latest update. And do press the bell icon to get quick notification from my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.